Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, February the 6th, 2021. Yes, we have two Sudokus left. A binary puzzle and a tectonic one. But first, we will solve this baby. And this binary puzzle is a 8 by 8 binary puzzle, and it will be a number 2290. All right. So 8 by 8, that means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. All right, so let's get started. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and one, there and one. Double O, here and one, there and one. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes in O. Between two ones comes in O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Let me see. I cannot play. We have here double O, here one, there one. Okay. Then. Let me see. Double one. Double O. Yes, we need to compare the first row and the fifth row. Oh, 1, 1. Oh, empty box, 1, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. With an O there, this should be a 1. All right. And now, let me see. Yeah. We have 010. No, we do not. 101. No. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. No. What's happening? Where's the opening? Where is the opening? I have a double 1 here. Do I need to compare? That is the question. I need to compare. Wow. Come on. It's taking too long. 1, 2, 3. Here, or there. Do we have 010 here? 010. Oh. Am I stuck? Am I stuck? Double O. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 2, 3. I think I overlooked something. Wow. Ay. Why it's taking so long? Almost the same. Ay. I'm missing something. I need to compare again. Do we have 101? No. 011. Here we have a 011 here. 11. No. 11. Yeah. The 4th and the 7th column. Overlooked, yes. 1111. 11. Empty box. So we need to switch those two numbers. 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two ones comes in O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes in O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Compare again. Yes, now we have this one. Well, 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright, so now we have 1. We compare with this row and that row. 1, 1, 1, 1, O, 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 1, 1. Empty box, O, O, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two O's comes in 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finished in 8 minutes. Wow. It's taking too long with the binary. 8 minutes. Cannot believe. Overlooked those two columns. All right. But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic with 1 star. See you later. Bye bye for now.